Grade 4 EVS. Today's activity is waste management. Here children have made different decorative items or useful items using waste product. They have procured this waste from their home only and created something constructive out of that waste. So let us talk to the students and just gather information about the useful items they have created using the waste product. Okay, first of all, let us see what this item looks like. It is a flower vase. Okay, introduce yourself first of all. Very good. Let us talk to Karthik. Yes, Karthik?
My name is Karthik. I have made flower pot.
You have made a flower pot and this is, it seems an original plant?
Yes, sir.
It is a flower plant?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh yes, we can see beautiful flowers also in it. Very good. How you have created it? कैसे बनाया आपने बेटा ये?
मैम बोतल, मैम वाटर कलर, मैम सीड,
ओके, पहले आपने क्या किया? बॉटल कट की?
यस मैम.
इज इट अ प्लास्टिक बॉटल?
यस मैम.
ओके.
मैम फिर मैम उसमें मैम मिट्टी डाली.
ओके.
उसमें मैम फिर बीज उगाया और मैम फिर उसमें कलर.
वेरी गुड. ओके, सी दिस इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल थिंग. यू कैन सी इट इज मेड ऑफ again a box, I think. Let us talk.
My name is Nidhi. I made with a cloth and a box. It is pen stand.
Okay, it is a pen stand. And the box you have used, what kind of box is it? Is it a paper box or a box made of metal?
A box made of metal.
Okay, it is an empty jar we can say. Okay, so how you have made it? Can you tell us कि कैसे बनाया आपने?
मैंने पहले एक जार लिया, उसमें एक क्लॉथ को लगा दिया, फिर ये बन गया.
वेरी गुड. और बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से बनाया हुआ है. इसके बाद आपने इसमें स्टिचिंग भी की है, कपड़े को सिला है ना आपने? ओके, वेरी गुड. नाउ हेयर लेट अस सी द वॉल हैंगिंग. इट इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल स्माइली आई थिंक. ओके, हाउ यू हैव मेड इट बेटा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ.
Ma'am, my name is Arushi Bist and I study in class 4th B. This is a wall hanging and it decorate our house. It is made of cardboard and paints.
Very good. Hold it in your hand and show us. Beautiful. And how you are going to hang it? Just show it.
Ma'am,
Okay, you have attached a thread to it. Very good. It is looking beautiful. Here is again something very much creative. It is looking beautiful. What is this? First of all, tell us your name.
My name is
Ahana. Okay, this is again a pen stand. Pencil box. Wow. Can you open it for us? Nice. This lid also you have made. Very good. How you have made it? Can you tell us? कैसे बनाया आपने ये?
इसको प्लास्टिक बोतल को इसका काट के पिंक कलर का चार्ट पेपर चिपका के उसके ऊपर से ये ढक्कन और कुछ इसके आगे और ये
बो लगाई है ना? You have made it yourself? Very good. It is looking beautiful and it is very useful also. जब आपके पेन, पेंसिल और आपके इरेजर ये सारी चीज़ें आप लोग इधर उधर रख देते हो ना, you can place them in a proper place. That is very useful. Very good. Okay, now let us talk to this boy.
ma'am, my name is Ujjwal and ma'am, I have made pencil holder.
You have made a pencil holder.
Yes, ma'am.
How you have made it?
Ma'am, I use ma'am metal box and ma'am use craft and ma'am shining tape.
Is it a metal box? Okay. Who has written over it? You have written here pencil holder.
Ma'am, yes ma'am.
Very good. You have made it yourself?
Ma'am, my mother also helped me.
Your mother also helped you. Very good. How you are going to use it?
Ma'am, I will put it. Ma'am, I put it in. Ma'am,
You will put it at home and you will keep what things you will keep inside?
ma'am, my school useful things. Ma'am, like pen, ma'am, pencils.
Okay, very good. So here again we can see a flower vase. Let us talk to this boy. Yes, beta. What's your name?
My name is Vinay Goswami. I make flower pot.
These are original flowers or artificial flowers? Artificial flowers, na? Yes. Okay. How you have made it? This is a glass bottle or a metal bottle? Glass bottle. So what did you do? क्या करा आपने इसे बनाने के लिए? हाँ. Okay. What kind of paint is it? Is it watercolor or watercolor? Oh wow, great. And from where have you got these flowers? कहाँ से मिले ये फ्लावर्स आपको? घर पे थे और खाली रखे होंगे तो आपने फ्लावर वास बना दिया, है ना? फ्लावर वास बना दिया तो आपकी मम्मी बहुत खुश हुई होंगी इस फ्लावर वास को देखकर. ओके, यू विल डेकोरेट इट एट योर होम. वेरी गुड. ओके, लेट अस सी व्हाट मानसी हैज मेड फॉर अस.
I have made a wall hanging.
Wall hanging you have made. Show us your wall hanging, beta. Nice. How you have made it?
Ma'am, by cutting the newspaper and then attaching on the circle of cardboard.
Very good. You have given some kind of shape also to these newspaper. What is it?
Ma'am, these are
Cones?
yes, ma'am.
You have made cones using the waste newspaper, and you have also used a cardboard for it, on which you have placed all these cones. It is looking nice. You have made it all alone, or your mother helped you? No one helped you? Very nice, very good. This is something really nice and very much, you can say, beautiful as well as something creative. Let's see who has made it.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Lakshman of class 4B. I have made these toys.
Okay, these are toys.
Yes, ma'am.
And what material you have used to make these
I
toys?
use the clay.
Clay you have used. And can you name these characters? What you have made? Motu Patlu. Wow. I think you are a fan of Motu Patlu. Do you watch Motu Patlu? What Motu likes the most?
And samosa.
Samosa. Do you like samosa? Very good. So where you are going to keep these toys?
I'm in my home for
And very good. Beautiful. Okay, tell us something about what you have made.
Good morning, my name is Rishabh. I am the student of class 4B. Today I have made a biodegradable waste dustbin in which I can sharpen my pencil and throw this garbage in it.
Very good. So this way you are going to keep your class clean.
Yes, ma'am.
And biodegradable waste you said. Can you tell us what is biodegradable waste?
Ma'am, the waste that is rot and mixed easily with the soil.
Very good. The waste which rots and mix with soil very easily, and that can be used as compost.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So that is why you have colored it with green color. Nice. How you have made it? Tell us.
Ma'am, by cardboard and ma'am green paper.
Very good. So here are some of the creative things. The pen holders, the dustbins for biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. A cup using waste bottle, plastic bottle, cold drink bottle. So these are the children, those who have made all these things. Their little and creative hands has shown magic today. They have tried their best to create something good out of waste. So did you enjoy this activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in future also you will utilize the waste to create certain things that can be useful?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So these are the beautiful things created by the students of class 4th B as their EVS activity project, in which they have utilized waste material available nearby to them and created these items. You have done a great job, children. Your small little hands have shown a magic today. Very well done. Keep doing this.
We should use